Frazsiers Whip managed to stay invincible for the entire season on their way to retaining their JWPL crown with an impressive 4-1 victory over Cavalier. A large chunk of the champion's success is owed to league MVP and Golden Boot winner Davia Richards. Richards proved her worth again in the final, scoring a brace in the 12th and 53rd minutes to end the season with a remarkable tally of 45 goals. Destiny Powell, who has also been equally outstanding this season, chipped in with a double as well. It was Powell who broke the deadlock in the 6th minute before returning to close out the win in time added. Tamara O'Sullivan scored Cavalier's only goal of the contest. Cavalier played the last 15 minutes of the game with 10 players after Cadian Edwards was sent off after getting a red card. Despite not being on the score sheet on the night, Cavalier's Chanel Spence was second in the Golden Boot race with 35 goals. Frazsiers Whip's only blemish came against Arnett Gardens in a 1-1 draw early in the campaign, and coach Courtney Dowdy says the title was always the objective.
We wanted it from before the start of the season. You know, the aim was to defend our title, and I think we did that pretty well, you know. And all praise belongs to the girls. They came out and they fought, and I'm really, really happy. Now, I mean, it wasn't a walk in the park because we knew that they were going to come and play aggressive. You know, the aim was to see how best we could have a lot of combination of play inside the middle third. And you can see from that they got a red card. So it shows the type of game that they came out to play. And our girls knew, and we just stick to the task ahead, and we know we had to win today.
Coach of Cavalier, Everdeen Scarlett, believes his team didn't show up on the day.
The Frazsiers Whip team, they wanted it more than my team. We started the game and we gave away 2 early goals. And it was always going to be difficult to get back from 2 mistakes that we made. And I must say kudos to Frazsiers team. I mean, they are deserving champions.
In the 3rd place playoff, led by a Suen Gregory 2-timer, Arnett Gardens came out on top, taking down Los Perfectos 3-1. Brianna Crosby put the Junglists ahead in the 11th minute. Gregory then booted home 2 goals in a matter of 3 minutes, finding the back of the net in the 48th and 51st minutes. Benicia Reed scored Los Perfectos consolation in the 36th minute.
We won the game, and as I said, there's a little, mistakes were made here and there. I mean, we can't beat anybody down. As I said, we get the 3rd place, and we just have to take the highs that we went through this season and build on it, and the lows we just work assiduously at it.
I think 5 minutes cost us this game, but it was just a blip 5 minutes, and the girls gave away 2 goals, staff goals, and it's just been like that sometimes throughout the season. Concentration has been an issue, but we go again.
Frazsiers Whip won their first JWPL title in 2023. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.
The Jamaica Women's Premier League Primetime Sports Report.